The Wales Millennium Centre is more than just a theatre. We offer a range of free workshops for young people to get involved in, from singing, dancing, theatre, acting and radio. Each year we're adding more and more things for young people to get involved in.
I did songwriting and MCing. I found it really interesting. Obviously creative arts is quite versatile, and having all these workshops that sort of have different aspects of different parts in the creative arts, it's really interesting for all of it to come together.
Fy hoff thing amdan I gyd o oedd cael i'n adnabod pobl a cwrdd â pobl newydd a creu ffrindiau. Oeddwn ni byth yn meddwl oeddwn ni'n mynd I gwneud.
Hello, my name is Molly and I'm the station coordinator for Radio Platform here at the factory in Porth. So the whole idea of Radio Platform is that it's a project led by young people for young people. So what we do here is that we run intensive weekend training courses and we train them up in presenting, producing, and it just gives them that sense of creativity, and that's really important for somewhere like the Batleys.
The design group is perfect for young people, as this space is for young people, so we should have our say in it. It's a great opportunity to give our perspective and take leadership roles in a space that's dominated by older people.
Now, if learning isn't your thing, we offer a bunch of free, unique experiences for you to get involved in, to have an experience of a lifetime.
Hardcore is essentially a beatbox choir, or like a hip-hop choir, where a lot of creatives came together and created 3 separate songs.
Every year, the Wales Mileniwm Centre holds a unique sleepover called Dros, whereby a bunch of young people around Wales come to the Wales Mileniwm Centre and we get to sleep in the building and we watch a show and we do a bunch of creative activities that respond directly to the show.
What's great about Wales Millennium Centre, I think particularly at the moment, is they do so many different things in this building, and so you can come into the building and be part of an audience for a giant musical, or be coming to see a cabaret show, or be coming to see a piece of new writing. And I think as an artist that feels really thrilling, because you feel part of such a huge community of creativity.
Welcome to Box, our new venue dedicated to immersive and extended realities experiences. So Box has been specifically designed for XR experiences, that's augmented reality experiences and virtual reality experiences, as well as projections.
From producers, from tech, stage, everyone is involved, top to bottom. I think they made something that I never imagined would be possible.
Just to have, I think, the generosity and the support that I had from the WMC in terms of the transparency. I've never had that before in terms of what Emma and the team brought to me about allowing me in the meetings, allowing me in those conversations. It was really from the ground up.
Growing up, the theatre was considered, it wasn't even considered at all. It was for other people. Whereas now I've realised that actually people like me are welcome.
Mae'n cynllun tocynnau cymunedol yn bwriadu newid hynny, gan gynnig seddi talwch fel y mynwch I grwpiau cymunedol, gan olygu gallant gael mynediad at theatr o radd blaenaf a seddi fforddiadwy.
Throughout the year, we celebrate lots of the cultures that we find here in Wales, from Butetown Carnival to Diwali to our annual St David's Day celebration.
WMC has been behind us, or with us, alongside us, I should say, ever since the beginning. As Carnival has grown and developed and got bigger, so as the centre's input has grown and got bigger too. And it's about our heritage and our culture and the fact that we've had Carnival going back for decades.
As you can see, there's a lot going on. And it's young people who are the future of this amazing building. With the new creative spaces being built and the free learning experiences are for everyone, come on down and check it out. You never know, it might change your life.